Alright everyone, here we are, another day. Here we are, another job, beautiful sun out. I'll show you guys what we got going on here. Alright, we're all done. I'll just show you guys. Looks better. Still a bit rough because it hadn't been done in a long time. I'll show you guys. I'll go up on their porch here and we'll take a look and see what it looks like. As good as it's gonna get for this one. It's a bit rough. Next year when we do it again, it'll come out even better. All right, off to the next one. We got the neighbor, we're doing 3 neighbors here. Okay, see you in a bit. All right, we just got to this one. This one hasn't been done in quite a few years, so we'll try to fix it up. I'm sure you'll see a big difference. We do the neighbor every year. We haven't done them yet, that it must be later on a bit. I'll just go up on the porch here, I'll show you guys. Hey, look how long that is. It's crazy. So we'll try to line it up like the neighbor. I'll show you guys once it's all done. Alright, we just finished this one. I want to show you guys the before and after. You saw it just before there, what it looked like. Hadn't been done in a while. I'd say 2-3 years hadn't been done. I'll show you guys from up on top here what it looks like. Oh, we almost got it even with the neighbor. It's a bit rough though. It's a rough one. See, they had some over here too. I'll show you guys. They had the same thing over here, but they took them out 3-4 years ago and they put these new ones in. So they're probably the ones that used to be here were right up against the cabin right here, the little shed. All right. As good as it's gonna get. All right, I'll go show you guys the next one. We're just cross street here. I'll go show you guys. Yeah, where we are, kids like to play hockey. They got the little hockey with the little sticks, the little net. They like to play basketball. They got a little basketball hoop. Yeah, we're like in a hockey town here. Especially our local team there. They're doing really good this year. They're in the playoffs. All right, I'll go show you guys next place. It's pretty wide. It's a wide one. It's rough because it's probably 50-60 years old. This is a good example. See how they're laying down? See all the hedges are laying down? That's because of the snow. I'll show you guys on the other side. Neighbor never gets it done. So you see the difference from one side to the other? It looks a lot better on the other side. All right, off to the next one, you guys. we just finished this one up here. Looks pretty good. See right here, he didn't want us to touch that. He wants to try to get them to come together here. But we just did the bottom part. I'll show you guys where there's a big curve in it because of the lilac tree here. See this curve here? See the sun doesn't get to the hedge here, and you see the difference it makes? And you can see where the sun comes in over here, so it's making it grow from the stump, not the stump, but look at that. You see how there's a looks really good everywhere. Nice big job, both sides, everywhere. I'll go up on the porch and show you guys what it looks like. I'll go around the other side, show you guys. Looks really good. You guys do a beautiful job. Like I always say, couldn't do without them. Alright, let's go off to the next one. Not as warm today as it's been the last couple of days. A little bit better. Alright, let's get the next one. We're doing everywhere, all the way around, the whole thing, both sides. It's a good one, we'll fix it up. I'll show you guys once we get more of it done. See over here too. Alright, show you guys in a bit. A view from the top. You hear that? That's the sound of cutting hedges. We're almost done here. Filled her up today. Look at that. Full right to the brim. Yeah, we did quite a bit today. All right, so that's it. Just wanted to show you guys that. Don't forget, you guys, like and subscribe. We'll keep making more content for you guys. It'll just get better as time goes on. We'll get more used to it. We enjoy it. All right, take care, guys. See you next time.